Right. Out again. Hammock camping today. We're going to put an hammock from there to this tree here. We'll have a little fire down here, and I've brought a fire log with me as well, a Swedish fire torch. It's going to pour it down with rain soon, so I'm going to get my tarps out. Bring you back in a bit. Right, don't think we'll need the bug net tonight. Oh, it's going to be cosy. Hopefully we'll get everything done before the rain comes in. The booties out for tonight. Haven't got the warmers inside these this time. Couldn't get hold of any. So let's loft these up. Argus Max. I think it's good for 0 degrees. I'm not getting anywhere near that tonight. Right, time for a chair, I think. Oh, I need to just sit down. Right, I think I'm going to have 5 minutes. Think. Oh, 3:45, a bit early for a drink, but we are out camping. I've only got 4 cans with me today anyway, so whichever one comes out first. Well, thank you for joining me on this one, guys. Oh, nectar. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to chill out here for a minute. Just have my beer. Yeah, thanks for joining me on this one, guys. Really appreciate it. Subscribers really coming up now. We're up to over 400 now, so I'm really pleased with it. Please carry on subscribing, it's fantastic. Right, just gonna have the beer and then I'll come back to you. Alright guys, 10 to 4. The rain is 10 minutes early. But we're all set up. I'm loving this setup. Got a little fire down here, just under the tarp. Well, just outside the tarp. Don't want it too close, don't want to damage this tarp. It's my new lightweight tarp. Might need to pull that side down a bit. But yeah, brilliant. Got me flex tail gear pump up there. Use that as a light tonight. Got some other lights anyway. Just chilling with a not very good cigar, but it's all I could pick up on the way. Got some nice simple food to cook off tonight. Very special, but nice and simple. I've got my fire log there, Swedish fire torch. Right, so I decided we're going to cook up the kebabs on this fire log, and I've got some extra birch bark with me. We're just going to stuff that in here, if I don't lose it all, just to give it a bit of a helping hand. Let's get that going. Right, so I found this little grate when I got here, so we're going to stick that in there. Right, I've got the Swedish fire log on the go now. I've had to add a few of them wool balls to them just to get it going a bit better. What I did notice down here, there's loads of wild garlic growing, so I'm going to pick some of that in a minute. We'll have that with the main meal, I think. If not, I'll just take it home with me. Loads of it growing here. Brilliant. So it's what time now? 20 past 4. Last light is 20 past 5, so we've got an hour. These are the kebabs we're having, nice and spicy kebabs. Just let that die down a bit and then we'll get them on the go. I might need to add a little grill to it. Hope I brought the right one. Yeah. So I'll put this together. Note to self, make sure you clean the grill when you're wearing white tops. And there we go. Lightweight, brilliant little grill. I'll have to somehow balance that over that fire. I don't fancy using that other grill. I might use that as well. Put that on top of this just to keep it off the flames a bit. Just going to have to let that die down a little. This rain is definitely on. But it's nice to see the rain is pooling off the ends there. We've got no pooling on here. Oh, that's bone dry as well. Loving this tarp. Using the Osmo Action today. Got a bigger umbrella on it than I did on the last camp, because it got wet through. But Osmo Action's not brilliant in low light. Might have to get the torches out soon, or the camera light. Yeah, that's going like a good one. I'll show you. Oh, that fire's roaring away. But I need it to die down to coals. I don't know when that's supposed to happen. Might end up burning the old log, not being able to cook on it. Not a problem. I'm cooking the little fire pit that I've made. Ah, but this is nice. Can see the rain coming in. Can hardly see the village down there anymore. This tarp is amazing. If I remember, I'll put a link to it. It's off AliExpress. It wasn't cheap, but it was cheaper than you can get it in England, and it is watertight. I've had it out on a few camps now, and I can definitely say it is watertight. Brilliant, and so lightweight. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Kebab and a beer. Do you call these kebabs? Skewers? I'm not sure. Put it in the comments if you know. I like I call them kebabs, but I thought a kebab was in like a pita bread or something. Rubbish. I don't know why I'm even smoking it. Yeah. So just a little snack before the main meal. The main meal you will not want to miss. I've just remembered what I brought. Just going to chillax in this rain. Oh, I've got quite a few lights with me tonight anyway, so got my flex gear pump with me with the light on it. I've got my camera light. I've got another like solar battery pack that's got a light on it. I've got my big hanging light, if I can find it. Yes. 1, 2, 3, flash, SOS. So we'll hang that up there later. It should give us plenty of light. Fire's died down. Let's get these kebabs on the go. Oh yes. Let's slice them across the top so we can handle them. Put that down with all my rubbish. Smelling nice. Alright, leave that down there. Let's get these bad boys on the go. Let's get them on the fire. Oh yes, let's get them cooking away. Oh, just right temperature. Get my pokey stick in there. See if we can get them a bit closer. Smelling gorgeous. I can smell the herbs. Can't remember what they are. I think they're hot spices. Tasty though. I'll cook these off and then stoke the fire up. I am starving now, so these will be a little snack before the main feast. Too chilly tonight. Still only got the wool jumper on. DOS bag's ready to go. Oh, I'm looking forward to this though. This is... I'm starving hungry. Been a nice camp so far. A few people here. It's like Ainsworth Woods, I think. I'll put a note up here for what it is. But yeah, it's been a nice camp. Quite a few people here tonight. All being very respectful and quiet. Just me gabbing up. Excuse me, gabbing away. So as soon as these are cooked, I'll get back further under the tarp. We'll have them and I'll stake the fire up. Yeah, the rain seems to have petered out at the moment, so Right, I'll put some more logs on here and we'll get this built up with more coals for the main feast. That is going to be something special. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I've needed this. It's like when you have a barbecue at home. It always tastes better to me on barbecue. Let me know what you think. I'm needing this. It's sharp, bone dry. It's amazing. Amazing bit of kit. Rain's back on, as you can hear. Fantastic. Nice and spicy. Hardly any wind tonight, which is a bonus, because I got my foil blanket. It's not that cold anyway. Gonna squan these two. I'll see you guys in a bit. Right, so I'm still hungry. I've put new wood on there, but it's not gone down to coals yet. It's only 6 o'clock, so I reckon 8 o'clock and we'll have the main menu, which is and tea-bay services as normal. A lot of fireworks going off for some reason. Let's get some spices on here. First of all, I want a bit of salt and pepper on it. Go liberal. As they say. Both sides. And then got the AAB hot powder. Gonna get that bad boy on here, both sides. Right, we're going to leave that now for about an hour, or until the coals are ready. Yeah, just leave that there for now. Now I do have this to go with the steak as well. I want to chuck this into the coals as it is. And then we've got some garlic butter to put on it as well. So we'll have that with a steak. I got any tin foil. Nice thick tin foil here. And we'll chuck that on the coals until the steak's ready. And that should be nicely done. I think we're ready to put this on the grill. Cooking good in the woods. Now then, let's try the steak first. Look at that. Perfect. This is unbelievable. Them spices are divine. That butternut squash is gorgeous. With that garlic butter. This is more like a supper. What time is it? Nearly 8 o'clock, so it's not like a supper. But that steak is amazing. That AAB sauce, spice, goes with anything. Steak, chicken, fish. I'm lost for words. It is beautiful. Especially when you got that garlic butter melting into it. I'm going to be a while with this. I'm just going to savour this. It is beautiful. And some people are sat at home watching telly. Try your T-bone steak in the woods. If you can, get out and do this. If you can't, subscribe to the channel. I'll do it for you. Who else cooks decent food like this? If you can, get out and do this. If you can't, the heart goes out to you. Subscribe and you can live this with me. This is amazing food. You could do this on a barbecue at home, even if you can't get out. AAB sauce, which I think I put the recipe a while back for it. Honestly, try it with anything. fish, chicken. It just makes your food 10 times better. Give it a bash. I'm literally stuffed, but this is so tasty. Can't stop eating it. You can probably only just see me because my light for the camera's going. So I'll see you when I'm getting in bed. Pineapple rum. Let's have this before we get our heads down. And then we'll see you bright and early in the morning. We'll see you in the morning, guys. Cheers now. Morning, guys. Another peaceful night's sleep in the old hammock. Should have got inside the bug net really, because my pillow kept shifting, and I think the bottom end of the hammock, sorry, the bottom end has slipped down slightly, so I kept sliding that way, but had a decent kip. What time is it? Half past 7 in the morning. Just about got daylight. Still need the lights on because of the way this camera is. So I'm going to get up, I'll pack away the sleeping bag and everything else, and we'll get breakfast on the go. Catch you in a bit, guys. Right, people, let's get a brew on the go. Virtually packed up, just got the tarp to take down and some bits to put in my bags. Apart from that, we're golden. Just get that topped up. Might as well use it all. Got a bit of washing up to do. Now Steve from Australia gave me a tip on this. I'm having trouble, been alright this time, but I'm having trouble sometimes getting this lid off. Give me 2 tips. One, get a bit of Vaseline and put it around this rim here just to keep the seal, and the other tip was to let this go stone cold before I put the lid on so I don't create a vacuum. Top tip for you there. Cheers, Steve. Get some mess in there. Yeah, I had quite a good sleep last night. It rained most of the night, I think. There's big puddles here. But I was out for the count. That's in. Right, I'm going to let that bloom and then I'll get back to yous and get my beans ready. We're having for breakfast a blue egg, which I'm surprised has stayed alive, 2 sausages, black pudding and a bit of bacon and beans. Yummy. Okay, kettle's boiled. Get that off. Let's chuck the beans on for a minute. Right. Today we're going to be a bit different and have a cappuccino instead of just a normal coffee, a real coffee. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh no, burst it. Bollocks. Let's see if I can't savour it a bit. Right, we'll get this egg done. Chuck the beans back on for a second, if they're cold. Yeah, chuck them back on for a few seconds. We're good. Bit of brown sauce on her. Oh yes. There we have a breakfast in the woods. A nice cup of cappuccino. Let's try the black pudding first. Burnley black pudding. Beautiful. Oh. Thanks for joining me, people. I'm going to go and pick some of this wild rams and wild garlic in a minute. And I think I might make a garlic and bean soup. This is as good as you get anywhere. Them beans. That chipolata sauce on it. Gorgeous. Right, pounder, sorry. I woke up starving after all that food I had last night. I'll get this scanned. I'll see you in a minute. Scrumptious. What I needed. Top that off with my cappuccino. So I've got a bit of admin to do, a bit of washing up, get everything packed away, and then I'll see you just before I go. Thanks for joining me on this one, really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you would. Really want to hit that 1,000 this year. Right, admin, we'll see you in a bit. Right guys, that's me out of here. As you can see, left no trace anywhere. So thanks for joining me. Hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It means so much to me. Thank you very much. Catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.